Hello student, here we discuss about IIT questions, fill in the blanks, missing links, RMGX reactions, Rosenmund reduction, catalytic poisoning, disproportionation, etc. I am Veena Dikshit. If you like my video, please like and share, subscribe my channel. Very important for all these exams which I have written and more than that. Okay, now name the product of and fill in the blanks. So CH2 double bond CH2 plus O3, A water, B NaOH and solution C and D. I have not done anything. This is from the paper. Okay, whatever it is written, I have written. I have given on the answer. So CH2 double bond CH2, what will happen? O3 ozonide formation will be taking place. Here double bond will break away and then this ozone will join to both of the CH2 group and this heart will form ozone. This is called ozonide. 3 oxygen are adjusted like this and then breaking will occur. So we'll get 2 moles of acetaldehyde, and since they had written B react with NaOH, so A is ozonide, B is formaldehyde, and NaOH solution undergo Cannizzaro reaction and will give you CH3OH plus SCONA, methanol, that is methyl alcohol, and sodium formate or sodium methanoate or sodium salt of formic acid. So this is oxidized product and this is reduced product. What does it mean? 2 moles of CH2O is obtained. One molecule is oxidized to this alcohol and oxidized to acid salt and reduced to methanol. This is called disproportionation reaction. Self-oxidation to SCONA, self-reduction to methanol. So SCHO reduced to methanol, SCHO is oxidized to sodium salt of formic acid. That is called sodium formate. Clear? Now we'll go for next. RX plus Mg, that is alkyl halide. When react with Mg, A is formed. With CO2 gives B. CO2 followed by hydrolysis give B, and thionyl chloride gives C, and D will give RCHO. So we have to find out D also. So this is forming Grignard reagent RMGX, and when CO2 will be added to it, carboxylation takes place, nucleophilic addition will take place, and we'll get RCOOMGX. Okay, and after that what will happen? Hydrolysis will give you RCOH group. Carboxylic acid is obtained, and this carboxylic acid when react with thionyl, SO2 will be released, RCOCl acid chloride is obtained, and PDBSO4 poisoned with sulfur or quinoline, and partial reduction takes place and will get RCHO. Catalytic partial reduction, controlled reduction, so that we will not get RCH2H primary alcohol, but instead we'll get RCHO acetaldehyde. This is RCHO means aldehyde. So RMGX Grignard reagent gives this anion and MgX. So this carbonyl group